This is repair attempt to Craig Paul's property. That's the shingle we're replacing. The several shingles above are going to be the shingles we're manipulating upward to remove the nail. And go ahead, Francisco. We're not lifting higher than 45 degrees, which is exactly diagonal. There we go. Don't lift any higher than that, Francisco. Moving the nails. As you can see, the shingles appear to be debonded already. Quick tool. See all the granules coming off. Part of the skin. And as you can see, crack increasing. Crack increasing. Damage. Cracking increasing. Cracking increasing on the shingles. This repair failed. Just so you can see, we're on their property.